on, HCLTech is all set to report its third quarter earnings as well. Let's go across to Anisha to get more details, because you do have the expectations on account of the dollar revenue that is expected to see an uptick. Other than that, a seasonal uptick is also likely in the products business. Anisha, tell us a little more about what we're really penciling in when it comes to HCLTech then.
Well, after TCS, all eyes will be on HCLTech, and it's as it is the seasonally strong quarter for HCLTech, so the expectations have become all the more. As it is, we are expecting a constant currency growth of almost 4.5%, a dollar revenue jump up of around 3.3%, so that the number comes closer to $3,560 million. The rupee revenue is also expected to shoot up by around 30,050 crore. The EBIT margin is also expected to substantially jump by almost 80 basis points. The wage hike impact that the company is expected to take this quarter will be offset by the strong performance that we are expecting in the product business, and that's the reason we are expecting the profit jump up by around 10%. Overall, if you look at the services business, it's expected to grow organically by 1.7%, and also the Comtech acquisition is something that is going to give a bump up to the revenue. Almost 0.5% contribution is what we're expecting from that. Deal bookings are largely expected on similar lines what we saw in the last quarter. If I have it right, deal bookings last quarter between $2 to $2.5 billion. That's the range that we're expecting this time. The street is already pricing in a guidance upgrade, so the guidance is expected to be revised upwards to 4.5 to 5.25% from the earlier 3.5 to 5%. So that's something to watch out for. Of course, we have a new CFO on board, so that will be interesting to hear out their commentary. But overall, expecting a positive set of numbers from HCLTech given the seasonal uptick as well.
Okay, positive numbers expected, and the stock also closed higher by 3% on Friday. So that's going to be an interesting set of earnings to watch out for today. Thanks, Anisha, for that. But